Is your Siri not working on your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to internet issues, microphone problems, or incorrect settings. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to solve the Siri not working issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Enable Siri. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Siri. Then tap Listen for to enable Siri. Select Siri or Hey Siri or Hey Siri. Solution 2. Change spoken responses settings. Before doing that, make sure that your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. Then grab your iPhone. Open up the Watch app. Select My Watch from the bottom. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Siri. Scroll down again. Tap Siri Response. Now select Always On from here. Hope you got the proper solutions to solve your Siri not working issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.